Sure, I mean, you could also argue that when Enda Kenny broke all of his election promises, that maybe he should have resigned and run for a new mandate as well, you know, so it depends. Well, he broke a lot of them. So, you know, I suppose I certainly feel that I've been true to the mandate that I received.
But I don't think anyone gave you a mandate to quit your party, set up another party.
No, but people gave me a mandate for a democratic revolution, to pursue ethics in public life, and all of the issues that I campaigned on in Dublin South East, and I don't believe that I have reneged on any of those promises that I made to people, whereas I believe that the party that I stood for at the last election has. So look, it's you know, you can argue the toss
and say you can agree with me or you can agree with the idea.
And that's exactly what people will have the opportunity to vote on when the election. Well, there's a huge cost, firstly, to holding by-elections. It's a cost to the Exchequer, and it's one that I'm not sure that people would necessarily appreciate incurring. So look, it's a calculation. You can argue it either way. I certainly believe that I haven't broken any promises that I made to the people of Dublin South East, and they'll judge me at the next election, and they have, you know, every right to throw me out if they see fit, and I'll accept the democratic will of the people in my constituency at that stage.